Hey, welcome to the House Doctor channel. Today I'm going to show you how to clean your air conditioner and or heat pump. Pretty simple project, won't take long at all. Let's get to it. We're not going to need much for this project. We're going to need some spray cleaner that foams up, a set of sockets, and possibly a radiator comb. I'll show you what that's for in a little bit. First thing we need to do is shut off the power so we don't have to worry about getting shocked. You should have a box that looks something like this on your house, and then a big hose or wire going to your air conditioner. You open this box up and you pull out either the fuse, or in this case it's just a bar that cuts the power. Now there's no power going to the air conditioner. We don't have to worry about getting shocked. Yours might be a little bit different. You might have a handle on the side, but make sure the power's shut off so you don't have to worry about getting shocked. When these are running and the fan up here turns on, it sucks air in through here, goes across the coils, and comes out the top. So any dirt, pollen, anything that's around is going to get sucked in, and it's going to get trapped on these fins. The fins are going to act as an insulator, and your system's not going to work as efficiently. So that's the purpose of cleaning this. First thing I'm going to do is take the fan off. I recommend you get yourself a bucket or a can or something to put all your screws in. There's going to be quite a few of them by the time we're finished. When you take the fan out, you want to be very careful not to bend the blades, because that could throw it out of balance and cause you problems when you put it back together. Okay, this unit doesn't have a plug for the fan. Sometimes there's a plug inside. We just have to disconnect the wires. Good idea to take a picture before you start disconnecting anything. This is all color coded, so don't have any worries about where it goes when we put it back together. Now I'm going to take this cover off. It's not necessary to do this to clean it from the inside, but this is a little rusty, so I'm going to paint it while I have it apart. I'm also going to take the grate off the front, because this unit has some bent fins that need to be straightened out. And you can see all the leaves and dirt and debris that's down in the bottom of the unit. We need to get all of that out of there, so when it rains, that water will be able to run right out and won't clog up in the bottom of it. Not too bad on this side, but over here we definitely need to get all that out of there. This is the radiator comb, and what we're going to use this for is to straighten out the fins. You can see here they're bent over, so you find the spot on here that fits well where it's not bent, and then you just carefully move this through the bent fins and it will straighten them out. You can see how well this works. And this is going to give you much better airflow. Your system's going to run more efficiently. It's a little tedious, but it's worth it in the end, because you're going to save a lot of money with the increased airflow. Before you use your spray, make sure you read the directions and you're using it properly. All the instructions are a little bit different. Alright, our last step is going to be to rinse the dirt and the cleaner off with a hose. Never ever use a pressure washer. You should always wear some kind of safety glasses while you're doing this. And you don't want to use high pressure because then you're going to bend over your fins and you took all that time to straighten them out. So just rinse it out thoroughly. Now I have it rinsed out. You can see how clean everything is. Got rid of all those leaves and everything. When you're rinsing it, you want to make sure that you don't end up with any puddles of water. If you do, that means one of the drain holes is clogged. Do what you can to get that unclogged so it drains properly. This one was a little bit out of level. I wasn't going to take the pad and resituate it, so I got some composite shims and I glued them underneath the unit to level it out. So just make sure the water drains out, and now we can put it back together. Our last step is to redo our connections here in the electrical section, and then we'll test it out and make sure everything's okay. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any suggestions or questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll put a link in the description for the materials I used today. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.